Welcome to Entertain Club. What do you think are the chances for this? If this is the way that you normally take out your Tic Tacs, then I'll show you the actual way it was designed for. So just close your Tic Tac box and put it upside down. Then you can shake it a bit if you want. And when you'll open it, you will notice that there's only one Tic Tac and there's not a lot coming out. This is the actual way that they are designed to be. This man makes amazing art by just using Rubik's Cubes and his imagination. This cat has a really long meow. These kids may only be small, but they are working with amazing teamwork skills. You will definitely be amazed by how detailed this painting really is.
Okay, Google, say hi to Alexa.
I'm so excited. I have a question for her. Alexa, will you be my friend?
Of course we can be friends. You seem very nice.
This llama literally just spat in this child's face. These swans literally control the traffic. This is definitely the meaning of teamwork. I hope you liked this video and made you smile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.